How to find screen card button in Android 11 to 15. So for that, you need to simply scroll. Here you will see on top right corner 3 dots with setting option. So simply you need to click on 3 dots. After that, you will see media output to apps edit tiles. So simply click on edit tiles. Here you will see edit tiles and more functions. The edit tiles are that already in our scroll section when we scroll and we see the things like Wi-Fi data etc. And the more functions are things that are available in our phone but within ADR. So you guys will find your screen card button in more function. So you will simply click on plus icon so you guys will see plus icon with screen card option. So you can click on that plus icon. So I will simply select any other thing because I have other screen card button in my section like you guys can see on top right corner. So when you click on plus icon, it will add it automatically to edit tiles. That's how you guys can do that in your phone. So your screen card button will be shown in your scroll section. Thanks for watching.